Okay, so guys, here we are. The muffins are ready, and as you can see, they are uh, looking just perfect, beautiful. 5 minutes, literally, that's all it took me to make these beautiful, um, 12 muffins. I'm trying to come up with recipes that are very simple, very easy to make. I know many of us have kids at home, and to get them quick breakfast in the morning is the key. So let me just, how you gonna know when they are baked? Actually, just find one that has the least blueberries, and you see if you press down, it comes right back up. So it's kind of like more of a gut feeling, but also really if you have not done a lot of baking, just how I said, press the top, and if it comes right back up, that means it's ready. So it's great also for me to enjoy with a cup of coffee. Let me try this delicious muffin. And then instead blueberries, I just had them handy. I had them frozen. Guys, please, you can use molasses, you can use oats, you can use pretty much anything that you have ready. Doesn't necessarily have to be, you don't have necessarily to use blueberries. Let's try now. Ay, ay, ay. Look at this. I just have to share with you, have to show you. Look at this. Ay. And the smell is incredible. Just so yummy, so delicious. so excited, guys. I really do. You're gonna make it. I'm so excited. My daughter is upstairs. She has her first class, but as soon as it's over, I can't wait to share with her. This is awesome. This is amazing, guys. Of course, I'm not gonna. My daughter and I, we got not gonna be able to eat these in few days. What I'm gonna do, pack them, seal them in a container, and then most likely freeze them, because for breakfast we do like to change. We are not necessarily big fans of having same thing every other day. Probably this gonna be our next breakfast sometimes next week. So if you don't try it, I'm telling you, you're missing on a lot. And if you are staying home and you don't have any, some of these is pretty much 4 or 5 ingredients. If you don't have, again, blueberries, just please use whatever you have. At the end of the day, if you don't have anything else to add, just make plain muffins. But you owe this to yourself to try to make it. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also click the like button. I'm gonna be posting videos now more often, and again, I'm gonna try to come up with recipes that are easy to make, not complicated, not tons of ingredients, not hard technique. So please, again, subscribe. Thank you.